good people? I'm back again with another video, and this is a brand which has never been on my channel ever. This is my first ever pickup from this brand. I wanted these back in the day a few years ago, never bought any. Just thought it's whatever. Never really understood the hype or anything about it. So that is me being straight up. I don't really care for them. More bought them just to see how they are and for content. Just before I show this shoe, as always, I'd like to ask everyone to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. The sharing, subscribing, liking, the liking and subscribing are the most important bits. So please do that, people. So let's just get into it, man. Everyone knows what that is. NB, New Balance. It says New Balance there. NB and then New Balance at the bottom. I kind of like this box so that, kind of hold probably for people who work in retail or whatever, or just to grab it, I like that. That's quite different. I've never seen that on a shoebox before. That's cool. Quick, easy to move around, whatever. I like that. And there's two holes here. I don't know how you'd probably someone to carry like that. So leave it like that. Yeah. New Balance really know how to make trainer boxes for, holding or whatever. But yeah, man, enough of the box. The holding. So these are the 574. So it's a UK 9, Europe 43. I don't like the way that's written. 9 UK 43 Europe. That's confusing. Very confusing actually, because I was thinking, what the hell, that just fix that. They are a limited edition or whatever. It says limited edition there. They were £90, so 9.43 Europe. 9.5 USA, which is a bit funny because normally US sizes it will be a 10, so I don't know what the hell is going on here, but that's probably just New Balance sizing. So we've got New Balance paper, NB all over. Let's get into the trainer, man. There we have it. So the New Balance 574. This is a navy blue type colorway. Let's just try to get that sorted out in the back there. So it's a navy blue with like beigeish type off-white hints, laces, back tab, etc. So I really do like this color. If they put it on the midsole, I would be, I would be happy, man. I'm not complaining. I like the kind of retro look. So it's kind of like a leather material all over, like a type of brushed nubuck. It is a very good material. It's a very nice material. It's got a blue mesh toe box, mesh on the back here, leather N. So as you can see, that is pretty 3D. So it's got a layer behind it and a layer on top. Very nice. I do like that. On the back, the same material as on the upper. Leather, that's a proper leather on the back. New Balance. And then a kind of beige wraparound plastic. And then the midsole, which is an end cap midsole. These actually they're brand new, but look at that. I'm not too happy with that, to be honest. Yeah, I'll have to speak to the company about that one. Plain, black sole, keeping it nice and casual, and then the same on the other side. So it's just, the beigeish N, all blue, mesh at the back, mesh toe box, plastic on the heel. This is actually some stiff. This is very strong. I believe this material is to just, like a cover for the sole and the upper, just to kind of keep it together. But that is some solid stuff, man. Yeah, so I really do like the blue shade of the trainers. I really do. This kind of grayish blue, that's nice too. If they just kept it all simply all navy and then we did just a bit of beige, I wouldn't have minded that either. First reviews, I don't really get the hype, so this is probably like hype dad shoes and stuff like that, so I'm not really one for you know, dad shoes. I'm not really that guy. There is comfort in these, I do believe. Let's see if we can pull the insole out. So comfort wise, if they are comfy, I would definitely make them a train of mine. Oh, it's like the Puma foam insole, but this foam feels quite weird, to be honest. I do also know that obviously the camera won't be able to get into there, but the material underneath here is like cushioned, so it's not just the mesh, it's actually cushioned. I won't be able to get the camera that deep in there, and I'm not even going to try. But yeah, I do like how it does say 574 inside, and 574 there. I don't believe any other company really writes the name of the trainers in the trainer. That's actually weird. I've actually never thought about that. It does have a essay in there on how to take care of them. So it says, do not machine wash or dry. Clean outside with cool water and mild detergent. Remove, insert and air dry. Never expose to hot vehicles. So if your car's hot, people, don't put them inside. That's not for UK people, because I don't think it's ever become that hot in the UK for us to have trainers melt in cars melt in trainers car. I've lost what I'm saying. So trainers don't really melt. I do know other places it's so hot, the boot gets so hot, but you know, in the UK you can still you know, probably still have high temperatures, so just don't keep them in a hot vehicle, people. Overall, I do like them. They're not my favorite shoe. I'm not too wild about them. And yeah, so I'm not really, you know, any, like, I'm not the most happy or excited about these. It did say they're a limited edition. I don't really care for that. This is just honest review. Very nice shoe. On foot will be obviously after the video and separate video. But yeah, I do like them. New Balances, I'm not really the biggest New Balance fan, I'll be honest. Maybe I will start getting into them. There are a few pairs I do like and I do want to get, but I'm not the biggest fan as of yet. So maybe that can change sometime in the future. Really not sure. And hopefully I do start learning a bit more about New Balance. I do know that, you know, the quality of the materials is very nice, like the leather tongue, leather inside, leather, you know, back tab. You know, it's all good materials, nice quality leather, and just like a premium type of material. I don't know if they're the most premium, but it does feel quite good. It'll be good to see how long these last. So maybe in a year's time or something, I'll make a video on if they lasted long or what they look like then. I honestly, I'm not even going to lie, I've run out of things to say about these. I do like them. They're not that bad, but they're nothing wow either. If you are a New Balance fan, maybe this does appeal to you. Maybe you do feel wow about them. Honestly, I like them. I don't think I'll be able to rate them, as I might be a bit biased because I don't love them. But yeah, it's just a closer look and a bit of a review. As always, the on foot video will follow. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, people. It really helps out the channel and it'll help me out a lot. And just wait a few seconds for the on foot video. Take care, people.